Welcome back, children. So children, today again we will continue with our chapter 12, that is electricity and circuit. Now children, let's read this. Electric bulb. We see a variety of electric bulbs in our houses, shops, malls and other public places. The basic electric bulb that is used in edges is given in figure 12.5. So this is the electric bulb that we use in edges. And we also see different types of electric bulb in our houses, shops, malls and other public places. It consists of a transparent glass covering that encloses a filament. Filament is a thin coil wire made up of tungsten. So it has a transparent glass that encloses a filament. This is the filament, and this filament, it is a thin coil and made up of tungsten. Tungsten is a metal that has a unique property of glowing when electricity passes through it. So this tungsten, it has a unique property. It glows when electricity passes through it. The electric energy gets converted into light energy and heat energy by the filament. So the electricity that passed through this filament, it converted into light energy and also heat energy by the filament. The filament is connected to two thick wires. So the filament, it is connected to two thick wires. This is the wires. The end of the wires are connected to the metal base of the bulb. So the end of these are again connected to the metal base of the bulb. The space between the filament and the glass covering is filled with argon gas. So here it is full of argon gas. It is an inert gas, so it does not react easily when tungsten even at high temperature. So it is an inert gas. Inert gas means it does not react with any chemicals. So it does not react with the tungsten also even at the high temperature. When the current flows through the bulb, the filament becomes hot and it glows. So when the current flows through the bulb, the filament, it becomes hot and it glows. The functions of electric bulb is to use electric energy and convert it more into light energy and a little heat energy. So what is the functions of this electric bulb? It is to use electric energy and to convert it into light energy and a little heat energy. Now we will see on electric circuit. The path through which the current flows is called an electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? It is the path where current flows. The main components of simple electric circuit are an electric cells, an electric bulb or a device that works on electricity, connecting wires and an electric switch. A device is connected into electric circuit to allow the current to flow when it is on and to stop the flow of current when it is off. So, a device, it is connected to electric circuit to allow the current to flow when it is on and to stop the flow of the current when it is off. This device is called an electric switch. So, this is the electric switch. When it is on, electricity will pass, and to stop the current flow, we have to off it. Depending upon the positions of electric switch, an electric circuit can be grouped into two types. So again, depending upon the switch of this electric circuit, it can be grouped into two types, that is open circuit and closed circuit. Now we will see here open circuit. When the switch in the circuit is opened, the current does not flow through the circuit. Such circuit is called an open circuit. So what is open circuit? It is when the switch in the circuit is open, the current will not flow through it. So you see here the switch, it is open. So the bulb is not giving any light. So this is the open circuit. Now closed circuit. When the switch in the circuit is closed, the current flows through the circuit. So when the switch is closed, the current will pass through the circuit. You see this one, the switch, it is closed, so the bulb is lightning here. Such circuit is called a closed circuit. So now we will try to solve some questions and we will move on to another topic. Circuit diagram and circuit symbols. The schematic representations of the component used in a circuit is called circuit diagram. So what is circuit diagram? It is a schematic representations of the component, like components like wire, bulb, cell represent a diagram is called a circuit diagram. Representations of a circuit diagram can be made simple and easy by using the symbols of the circuit components. So this circuit diagram, it makes simple and easy by using the symbol. By using the symbol, it makes us easy. These symbols are called circuit symbols. So these are the circuit symbols. A few circuit symbols and their functions are given in the table 12.1. So you see what are the components, what are the circuit symbol, and what are their functions. So wire, this is the symbol, circuit symbol of the wire. The connecting wire helps in the flow of current in electric circuit and is made up of metals such as copper. So these help in connecting the flow of the wire in the electric circuit, and it is made up of metals such as copper. And now we will see bulb. This is the circuit symbol of the bulb. It is an electric appliance that uses electric current and convert it to light energy and heat energy. So it is an electric appliance and it is use electric current. This bulb, it use electric current and it convert to light energy and heat energy. Cell, this is the circuit symbol of the cell. It is the source of current and consists of two terminal ends called positive and negative terminal. Battery, this is the circuit symbol of battery. It is the source of electric energy and is made up of two or more cells. So battery, it is made up of two or more cells. Switch, a switch is a device used to make or break a circuit. So a switch, it is made to make or break a circuit. This is the circuit symbol of a switch. Figure 12.8 shows open and closed circuits drawn using circuit symbols. So here circuit symbol are used. So first we will see circuit diagram for a closed circuit. This is for a closed circuit. So wire, this is the wire, this is the switch, bulb, and a battery. Again now this one, circuit diagram for an open circuit. Bulb, battery, wire, and the switch is open. Figure 12.8 circuit diagram drawn using circuit symbols. So these are all the circuit symbols. So now again we will try to solve some more questions and we will end up this video.